while you are currently sleeping and keep doing that your salary job that you are doing, other Nigerian youths are making millions on YouTube. Welcome to Build with Pablo. This is our second video on this channel, and also we are taking you on a tour on how to make money in Nigeria as a Nigerian youth, how to make money online. So my first video will explain about several things like how to make money, like the freelancing aspect, the YouTube aspect, the affiliate marketing, the digital product selling, and the remote jobs. So also I said I'm going to treat freelancing first, but due to some challenges and some equipment that are not ready, I think we should go on YouTube first because it's free to start and easy to start. So YouTube, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can start a successful YouTube channel. In Nigeria, the highest grossing place to be successful is currently the internet. And actually, many people are on the internet that are making videos. Some are selling digital products, and some are busy doing a lot of things. And we have scams on social media. Take note of that. So I'm going to show you real life things that you can use to make money on social media. We've done that in our previous video, but right now we are starting with YouTube. Let's get this started. Welcome to the second video of our series. In this video, we are going to treat how you can start a YouTube channel. Kindly watch this video to the end, and if you are seeing us for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, because if you lose this channel for now, you can regret it later. Okay, now let's go to the video. First thing you need to take note as a YouTuber is that you need to find a clear name. Many other YouTubers will be telling you that you need to get a niche first. That's a very big lie. If you don't have a clear name, how do you want to get a niche? But also, I would recommend finding a niche first also. Sorry for the English. So I would recommend finding a very clear niche. If you get a niche, that's when you need a name. Now you need to get a niche. So I'll give you some IP niche right here on YouTube. The first one is finance, the second one is education, the third one is storytelling, and the fourth one is what's it called? Collection. Yes, collection. So the finance, you can talk more about finance lifestyle, how people can manage their money and sort of that. And also the storytelling, you can tell the story of the past about something that has happened in the past. um you can make your research about those. Now after getting your niche, the second one is get a fit name. The name that fits that niche, you need to get it. After getting that name, that's when you can proceed. Now after you gotten that your niche, right, there are different ways that you can get your name. You can use the ChatGPT. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to get your name, or that you want to be using. You can use ChatGPT to get that your name. You just paste that niche to it, then you tell him how you want the name to look like. Maybe just casual names or non-English name. There are non-English name here, so you can just make the research about that one. You get a name. Now the third one is that find the video ideas. Find the video ideas you are going to use, that you're going to be posting. Now I would say that maybe your first video might not be a viral video yet. Your first video might not be a viral video. So just keep posting, keep posting consistently till you get a hit video. Shey you get me? Till you get a hit video. So keep posting every time. Now don't worry about your first video, because if you worry much about that first video, you will actually like you'll be overwhelmed and you will stop creating that your content. So the fourth thing is that you need to get your first video. How do you get your first video? Based on your niche and your name. You just go to ChatGPT, you give him everything that you want, you tell him about your name, about your niche, how you want the video to looks like, how you want the video to looks like. Shey you get? So you paste it to ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will give you some ideas. It might give you several ideas. You pick from things from each ideas, then you join it together. They say it should give you script about that thing. Then while getting the script, you create your first video. And actually, sorry, I didn't remember to tell you this. We have two type of YouTube channel. We have the faceless YouTube channel and the faceless YouTube channel. The most paying one that pays people most is the faceless YouTube channel, but it's very hard. We have the AI tutorials, like I'm doing this. You can use AI to be teaching people. You want to go to the education niche. I have a YouTube channel that does education storytelling and my two niche together. So actually, let's go to the fifth one. How to get your YouTube title. Because if you don't have a clear title and if you have an hierarchy title, you can't get views on YouTube. You can't get views on YouTube. When you get your title, you get your video description, you get your video tags, you get your video keyword, you get hashtag and sort of that. So you need a clear title. It is the title and the thumbnail that people will see when your video shows to people, when your thumbnail shows to people. If you have a click magnet thumbnail, people actually click. Shey you get? So now you need a clear title. When you get the title, maybe you are teaching about maybe Elon Musk. When you want to think about the story that about 2008 story that almost lost everything because of SpaceX and Tesla, you can just say Elon Musk lost everything. Actually, it may look like sometimes YouTube may flag it that you are actually pulling out a false information, but don't care. You are just add 2008 in the front. Don't worry, people will actually click that type of video. And fifth one is that you need a clear thumbnail. A clear thumbnail. When you get your clear thumbnail about your first video, it will actually be as if it will be like a click magnet for people to start clicking, to click that your thumbnail to watch your video. If you don't have a clear thumbnail, an hierarchy thumbnail and a clear title, you can't get views on this YouTube. I think that's the fifth one, right? Now once you are done with your thumbnail, now we are ready to upload our video. So there are some technical stuff that you need to put in to make your video go viral. First one is that you must optimize that file name. Once that video is saved to your phone, it is saved in another name, not in the video title. Shey you get? It's not saved in the video title, so you need to optimize that file name. Maybe you are making about a video about how Elon Musk lost everything. Just rename the file name. Just put how Elon Musk lost everything on that your phone before uploading. Because when it's given to the algorithm, they are going to just do what? Send it out and it start going viral. Shey you get? So that's it for your first video. Then the second one is that how do you make your channel to be successful? How do you make your channel to be successful? Now in this video, everybody are online to make money. As I said earlier, that many are making millions. It's not a joke. Many are making millions on social media, on YouTube. Many are making millions. So you need to apply for YouTube partner program. But before you can apply, the thing is that you need 1,000 subscriber and a 4,000 watch hour. How to get that is that you need a click magnet thumbnail, because if you don't have a thumbnail, people cannot click on your video. And your first 2 seconds matters. Your first 2 seconds, it matters more about anything on your video. You need first 2 seconds, a click, like hook. You need hook for your video for people to stay, to watch till the end. And you need a longer video. Shey you get? So after that, my rule for every new YouTuber out there is that you need to be uploading at least 3 videos per week, 3 long form video per week for 6 months before you think about maybe you want to quit or you want to do this or you want to do that. So um these are my little advice for you guys about how you can actually grow your YouTube channel. This is not the end. Actually, in my next video, I'm going to treat more about YouTube. I'm going to tell you guys more and more about YouTube. How you can get, like, bro, how you can get successful, how you can be successful on YouTube. I'm going to teach you guys about it. So if you are finding this um channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and then you've watched this video today, and I'm sorry. So kindly hit the subscribe button. Then I'll see you next my next video. Build with Pablo. Thanks.